I have had quite a few Reubens in my life, perhaps a few too many. But what makes a better Reuben? Corned beef or pastrami? That question has been vexing me for years, and today we're gonna put it to the test. I'm Jeremy Puglisi. We've got Sean, the camera guy, behind the camera. I'm so glad you're with us. So let's get camping and let's get cooking. Okay, so we are gonna make these two Reubens exactly the same with just one difference. One is gonna have corned beef and one is gonna have pastrami, and we're gonna decide which one is better. The first thing we wanna do is to make our sauce. We're gonna use about half a cup of Russian dressing. You can, of course, use Thousand Island, and I'm gonna put in about 2 spoonfuls of this spicy pepper relish that I really, really love, but you can use any relish that you want, and I'm gonna mix them all up, and it's gonna make a really terrific sauce for both of these Reubens. Now let's light up our side burner and start heating up our sauerkraut. You really could just throw the sauerkraut right down on the griddle top, but we've got a side burner, so let's use it. So now let's take our Pepperidge Farm rye and pumpernickel bread and actually toast what's going to become the inside of our sandwich right on the griddle top. I actually like to toast the inside of the sandwich so it doesn't become mushy later when we take a bite into it. I like a little bit of crunchiness, a little bit of crispiness, a little bit of texture. Now let's put on our simple 2-ingredient sauce onto the inside of the bread. Such a great simple sauce for a camping trip. And then let's put a piece of Swiss cheese on each one. And the Swiss cheese is gonna have a little bit of hangover on the edge of the bread, so you get a little bit of skirting on it, and that's gonna toast up really nicely on the griddle top. Now it is time to throw our corned beef and our pastrami right onto the griddle top. We don't wanna lay it down flat. We wanna kind of curl it up a little bit or layer it. And we're not trying to cook it or bake it here. We're just trying to warm it up. And it's a really, really important step, because if you don't warm it up first, it might be cold when you bite into that sandwich later, and we don't want that. We're also gonna throw our sauerkraut right down onto the griddle top again. We're gonna make sure we shake the water out of it, and we just kind of wanna get everything browned up a little bit. And then it's gonna go right onto the sandwich, and it's gonna get ready for some more toasting. So you can see that our corned beef and our pastrami are a little bit browned. They're nicely heated up. They're ready to get layered onto that sandwich with some of that slightly browned sauerkraut right on top. So now let's assemble our sandwich, and we're actually going to use a little bit of Duke's mayo instead of butter to toast this up. A lot of people do this with their grilled cheese, and it comes out really, really good. Even if you don't like mayo, I promise you, you won't even know it's mayo when we're done. Works perfectly to get these nice and crispy and ready to go. Now we're gonna put our Reubens down on the griddle with the mayo side down, and then we're gonna add some of that Duke's mayonnaise to the top, and then we're gonna use the collapsible basting dome to cover them up, so we still do get a little bit of a baking effect, so the whole sandwich is cooked through and it's warm all the way through. It's been about 2 minutes on each side, so I think it's about time to pull these off and see how we did. So first, let's pull off the pastrami, and now let's pull off the corned beef. And I truly have no idea which one of these I think is gonna be better. I'll tell you the truth about what I think. All right, now it's time for the ultimate test. Which of these Reubens is better? Is the pastrami Reuben better, or is the corned beef Reuben better? Where I come from, all the restaurants make them with pastrami. That's how I grew up eating them. But across the country, lots of people used corned beef. But I'm gonna be as objective as I can possibly be. Let's take a bite of each. I also made a lot of extra sauce so you can dip. That's always a good idea too. The pastrami is so flavorful. Giving the pastrami an A+. If it was a blind taste test, I don't know if I'd be able to identify the difference. I think I'm gonna give the edge to the pastrami. Maybe I am a biased New Jersey kid, but I think I would take this pastrami. I think it's a little bit more flavorful. Tell me in the comments below, which do you prefer? Do you prefer a pastrami Reuben or a corned beef Reuben? And thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you next time, and hope to see all of you at the campground.